Now this is the last point, that is a MOS and CMOSisis. We have discussed that how the MOS works when it is going to be on or off. Okay. So what is the full form of the MOS? We'll revise the things first.
Metal oxide semiconductor.
Metal oxide semiconductor. There are three types. What is that? PMOS, NMOS, and CMOS. That is a positive, negative, and C for
Complementary.
complementary. Very good. So PMOS, CMOS, and NMOS. CMOS IC are, what is the advantage of using CMOS IC? That it consumes low power. Okay. So there is a low power consumption, and they were slower than bipolar digital ICs, but there are some advances taken. So this speed is improved. So we are preferring nowadays CMOS is more preferred than the bipolar transistors. Okay. We'll see again, revise the things that when it is going to be on or off. See that this is a P channel enhancement MOSFET, and this is a N channel enhancement MOSFET. See the symbols properly. Okay. See that arrow for NMOS. It is for PMOS. This is substrate, and this arrow is away from this body. Okay. And here the arrow is towards the body. Now, what is the requirement in a P channel? That the MOSFET will be on. So to turn on this, gate must be lower than the source. That is the first requirement. अगर आपके पास पेन और बुक है तो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करो और लिखो, क्योंकि हमें ये सर्किट्स देखने हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े. See this CMOS NAND, CMOS inverter, and CMOS NOR gate. For that purpose, first you should know which transistor is going to be on or which transistor or FET is going to off. What is the required condition for the PMOS and to turn on, and what is the required condition for the NMOS to turn on. Okay. है सभी के पास पेन और बुक? ऑन करने के लिए बोलूंगा सभी को कैमरा? है कि नहीं पेन और बुक सभी के पास?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, अगर नहीं भी है तो लिखो, कुछ तो पेज ले लो और उस पे ये लिखो कि PMOS कब ऑन हो रहा है, NMOS कब ऑन हो रहा है. ओके. Got this? When PMOS is going to be on, that gate must be lower than the source. And for N channel, that is the gate must be higher than the source. So you can compare with the transistor. Transistor में NPN में क्या रहता है? Base voltage should be more than the emitter voltage, like this only. And here for PNP transistor, base voltage should be less than the emitter. Like this only, you just compare these three terminals, that's drain to collector, source to the emitter, and gate to the base of the transistor. Got it? This is symbolically only drawn, that 0 or 1 that we are giving to the, providing to the gate. Okay. Now see, this is a CMOS complementary metal oxide CMOS is a complementary metal oxide semiconductor. And this is the inverter, CMOS inverter. Okay. What is this? Is it a NMOS or PMOS? अपर का जो है वो
PMOS.
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 और लोअर है वो
NMOS.
NMOS. Okay. So suppose we are applying V as a 0 volt. Okay. V as a 0 volt means गेट को PMOS के गेट को यहाँ पे 0 जा रहा है और यहाँ पे 0 NMOS के यहाँ पे जा रहा है. पता है? तो which will be on?
PMOS.
PMOS will be on because NMOS, what we are saying, that gate is required higher voltage than the source. Here you are not getting, but here we need a lower voltage for the PMOS. So PMOS will be on. When the PMOS will be on and this will be off, means it will be disconnected from the circuit. Okay. So this will be short, and drain of this or source of this circuit is connected to the VDD, that is a plus 5 volt. So at the output stage, as it is short, short मतलब क्या रहता है, दो पॉइंट का वोल्टेज सेम रहता है. Am I right? Am I right? What do you mean by short?
Closed circuit.
The voltage that PD is a zero. Potential difference is zero means voltage at 2 points will be same level. Okay. जब ये ऑन हो रहा है मतलब ये सिर्फ like a switch, it will be closed like a switch, it is acting as a switch. So whatever voltage present at this point, that is a VDD, that will be present at the output only. So whenever you are applying 0, you will get output as a 1. Got this? You are getting VDD equal to, that is V out is equal to 5 volt, and we are treating 5 volt as a logic 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे इजी इन्वर्टर है. एक बार इन्वर्टर समझ में आया तो बाकी के समझ में आएंगे, क्योंकि वहां पे तो चार चार कनेक्ट करने हैं मॉसफेट. तो एक बार ऑन ऑफ अच्छी तरह से समझ में आना चाहिए. अभी देखो, when we are applying input is equal to 1, that is logic high. So which transistor will be on now? Transistor or MOSFET? NMOS will be on. Below, correct, very good. NMOS will be on. And what about upper MOSFET? What about PMOS? PMOS will be on or off? You are giving 1 to the gate. We are applying same input to the both MOS. What about PMOS? Whether it will be on or off? Off. Off. Why it will be off? Why it will be off?
Because gate required low input.
Gate required low input. That is a low voltage. Okay. So now it is off and it is on. So what will be the output of the circuit? See here. अभी ये ऑफ हुआ है ऊपर का, मतलब यहाँ पे तो सर्किट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, तो 5 वोल्ट नीचे नहीं आएगा. This will be disconnect. Current is not going to flow at all. Okay, it is going to be disconnected. Now this will be act as a closed switch. Okay, and what is the voltage at source? That is it is connected to the ground, so it will be 0 volt. So at the output stage, you will get 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep in mind, or should I repeat it again? Because एक बार A समझ में आया तभी NAND और NOR समझ में आएंगे अच्छी तरह से. कुछ भी नहीं है लाइक उसमें, क्योंकि कब हाई कब लो हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से कौन सा ऑन हो रहा है कौन सा ऑफ हो रहा है, कब आउटपुट VDD को जा रहा है और कब आउटपुट ग्राउंड एंड मतलब 0 आ रहा है. These things you have to note down. Okay. All students, should I go ahead or should I repeat it again?
Repeat it again in short.
Repeat me.
Okay, no problem. Now listen carefully. I'm not going to ask you the questions now. See why it is called as a complementary. Here it is connected PMOS and NMOS in series. Okay. This upper MOSFET is a PMOS and this lower is a NMOS. We know that when NMOS is going to be on, when gate voltage is higher than the source voltage. And when PMOS is going to on, when gate voltage is lower than the source or drain voltage. Okay. Now we are applying V to design the inverter. We are applying V to both the PMOS and NMOS simultaneously. Okay. Now suppose we are applying V in is equal to 0 volt. So 0 volt means we are applying to the gate of the NMOS as well as the gate of the PMOS. So we know that this PMOS will be on as it required the lower gate, lower voltage gate to source voltage to turn on. So this PMOS will be on. PMOS will be on and this will be off. Off means this will be open switch and this will be act as a closed switch. Open switch जब रहता है तब क्या रहता है? This will be disconnect from the circuit. Now we are saying that PMOS will be on. So this will be connected, means only it will act as a switch. Okay. So this terminal is connected to the VDD. So you will get the output is equal to VDD, which is treated as a logic 1. Okay. And when you are applying 1 as an input, this NMOS will get on, this will get off. Off means this will be disconnected from the circuit. VDD is not going further. हमें पता है कि अगर कोई स्विच ओपन है तो वहां पे कंप्लीट नहीं होता है सर्किट. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये अभी क्लोज हो रहा है. A switch 1, when you are applying 1 to the NMOS and this source is at a 0 level, means gate is higher than the source. So this will be on. This will be on means what? Now the source terminal is connected to the ground. Okay. That's why you are getting output is equal to 0. Is it okay? See, this is a MOS technology. Again, we have seen these symbols, gate, drain, and source channel for N channel and for P channel. You just go through it. Nothing is there. Again, this is the same that when the NMOS will be on and NMOS will be PMOS will be on or off. Okay. Just we have seen, and here it is shown in the form of circuit model. And here it is shown like a switch. On हो रहा है, off हो रहा है. Off पे ऐसे रहता है, on पे this switch will be closed. Nothing is there. Okay. Yeah, this is a statement that voltage at the gate related to the source must be negative in PMOS case. We have seen now CMOS inverter. Just we have discussed it now. Okay. That which one is off? Here Q1 is off, Q2 is on, output equal to 0. For logic 0, Q1 is on, Q2 is off, and you are getting a VDD. एक बार अगर समझ में आया तो आप लोग खुद से ये सब कुछ लिख सकते हो. Now for CMOS NAND gate, see the structure. Once you got the NAND, you can easily analyze the NOR circuit. Okay. See the construction of this NAND gate. These two PMOS are connected in a parallel, and to these two NMOS are connected in a series. Okay. This is about the structure of the circuit, arrangement of the circuit. Now we are applying input A and input B to the circuit. These are a complementary. This P and this N is a complementary, and this one another PMOS and another NMOS in a series. They are a complementary. They are forming the complementary circuit. What it means? अभी जो हमने इन्वर्टर देखा उसके हिसाब से एक PMOS और एक NMOS, they are forming the inverter circuit like a complementary circuit. And see the output where we are considering the output stage that X is equal to AB bar. A PMOS ट्रांजिस्टर पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किए हैं उसके नीचे यहाँ पे हमें आउटपुट मेजर करना है. स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आया? स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी मुझे आप बताओ, when you will get output as a high and when you will get output as a low. अभी ना इसमें एक्चुअली Q1 Q2 यहाँ पे लिखना चाहिए था, Q3 Q4. It's okay, no issue. Just tell me. What is my question? That when we are getting output high and when we will get the output as a low. अभी इनपुट क्या है वो छोड़ दो, सिर्फ आउटपुट हाई कब आएगा और लो कब आएगा?
When we get when we do low input, give
No. I know we have to apply some input, but regarding either high input or low input, you can see the arrangement. Just in case of CMOS inverter, I have told you, whenever this PMOS is connected to the VDD and this is off, at that time you are getting output as a high. Whenever this is off and this is connected to the source is connected to the ground, at that time we are getting output as a low. Similarly here, whenever these both PMOS are on or either any one of PMOS is on, you will get output as a high. And if any one of the NMOS is on, any one you can't say, you have to turn on the both NMOS, then only you will get the low output because it is connected to the ground. हमें आउटपुट 1 और 0 कब मिल रहा है? यहाँ पे टर्मिनल जब VDD को कनेक्ट है या ग्राउंड को कनेक्ट है उसके हिसाब से हमें आउटपुट हाई और लो मिल रहा है. ये बात समझ में आई? ये बात समझ में आई क्या? When these two NMOS are conducting, you will get output as a low. When these two PMOS are conducting, you are or any one of PMOS is conducting because they are connected in a parallel. So you will get the output as a high. Is it clear? Now we see which input is a low or which input is a high. Okay, is it clear? कंफ्यूज हो रहा है क्या? Tell me this inverter circuit, okay? Do you have one question that how you are getting output as a high or output as a low? ये समझ में आया कि आपको आउटपुट हाई क्यों मिल रहा है, कब मिल रहा है और लो कब मिल रहा है? Anyone?
Ma'am, whenever P-type is connected to VDD, then we get high output, and when N-type is connected to ground, we get low output.
Okay. और रिवर्स रहता तो मैं ऊपर NMOS कनेक्ट करती और नीचे PMOS कनेक्ट करती तो
Is it depends upon VDD, na? Then it will be reversed.
then it will be reverse. Okay. Here this voltage depends upon what? Here you can connect the PMOS or NMOS, doesn't matter. Your output voltage depend upon whether the MOSFET is on or off. That condition is again depend upon your input condition, isn't it? आपका MOSFET on हो रहा है या off हो रहा है, ये किस पे डिपेंड है?
Input condition.
इनपुट कंडीशन पे. तो अगर एक बार इनपुट दिया तो दैट विल बी ऑन और ऑफ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दिस आल्सो VDD और ग्राउंड as you are saying. It is correct because the VGS voltage to get to source voltage depends on it. Depending upon that, this is going to be on or off, and whatever voltage present at source, that will be remaining as it is at the output stage where it is a close. Okay. So accordingly, what I am saying, अभी देखो जाने दो, फिर A B से ही चालू करते हैं, तब आप लोगों को शायद समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. अभी क्या किया, A we are applying low and B is also low because we are analyzing NAND gate, and truth table of the NAND gate is like this. Whenever both the inputs are high, we are getting the low output, and whenever any one of the input is low, we are getting the high output. Is it true for the NAND gate? Truth table correct है क्या NAND gate का?
Yes.
Okay. Now just see. We are applying A as a low and B as a low. So पहले वाले PMOS को मैंने लो इनपुट अप्लाई किया है और सोर्स यहाँ पे VDD को है कनेक्टेड. ओके. इज इट हियर? दिस NMOS को हम लोग A इनपुट अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, मतलब लो इनपुट अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे B देखो, यहाँ पे इस NMOS को और ये PMOS को अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. तो which one will be on now?
P.
P. Both P will be on.
Yes, ma'am. We require low input.
Correct. So what will be the output?
High.
High. 1.
Here ये low हो रहा है, मतलब A off होगा, तो it will be act as open switch. It will be act as open switch. So these are remain to be closed, and whatever present at the source, that is a VDD, that will get at the output. So you will get the high output. Second case low high. Now देखो यहाँ पे A low है, मतलब this PMOS and this NMOS are getting low input, and B को यहाँ पे अगर Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 रहता ना तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहता. मालवीना विच की बुक है, उसमें वैसे ही एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके, आई विल शेयर माय नोट्स विथ यू. अभी NMOS को देखो, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या हाई इनपुट दे रहे हैं, 1 यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे 1 जा रहे हैं. नाउ टेल मी विच आर गोइंग टू बी ऑन. पहले मुझे ऊपर का बोल दो, ऊपर के कौन से ऑन होंगे. या A इनपुट दिया है, सिर्फ कंसिडर A एज अ लो, तो कौन सा ऑन होगा?
Left side.
लेफ्ट साइड का ऑन होगा. दिस PMOS will be on, Q1 will be closed. Okay. What about NMOS?
Down one.
क्या रहेगा? ऑफ. ऑफ मतलब स्विच विल बी ओपन. ओके. नाउ फॉर B we are applying high. This is going to be on or off? NMOS
On.
On.
on, correct. And this is going to be off, P. Correct. अभी देखो, जब A यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया था लो इनपुट, तो A तो क्या हो गया, ओपन हो गया है. तो नीचे ये कनेक्टेड क्यों जो है उसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. दिस विल बी डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम द सर्किट even though this lower MOSFET is on. Okay. So output will depend upon this condition. Now this is on and this is off. PMOS का लेफ्ट साइड का जो है वो क्या है, जहाँ पे A इनपुट दिया है that will be on and this will be off. Okay. Now what will be the output?
High.
हाँ, कैसे रहेगा, यहाँ पे ये दोनों पैरेलल है, तो एक ऑफ हो गया, एक स्विच ओपन हो गया, तो कोई इश्यू नहीं रहता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो है दो सीरीज में है, अगर अपर का आपका ऑफ हो रहा है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आइसोलेट फ्रॉम द सर्किट इवन दो लोअर इज अ ऑन और ऑफ, डजंट मैटर. गॉट इट? So you are getting for A as a low, B as a high, you are getting high output. Next, high low, same. High low, A realize करो तो NOR gate तो easy है, सिर्फ reverse of this is there. So A is a high now and B is a low. Just आप मुझे इतना ही बोल दो कि कौन सा आएगा यहाँ पे. A is a high now, okay? PMOS on रहेगा. मैं
Off.
पूछती हूँ.
Off.
Off. Very good. NMOS
On.
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 अभी आप ध्यान में रखो, विजुअलाइज करो कि A on है, okay? This is on. Now we are applying B as a low, okay? So NMOS will be
Off.
Off.
off. So it is going to be disconnected, okay? Now this B applying here to B PMOS. PMOS को low apply कर रहे हैं, तो this will be
On.
On.
okay. हाँ, this is going to be on. This is going to be off. Again, this is going to be off, and this is going to be on. So what will be the output? A NMOS चालू है, on हो गया है, लेकिन A तो off है. So this is going to be disconnected. You are not getting ground or 0 volt at the output of this. So what is this? Only PMOS is connected to this. Q1 is this PMOS is connected to the circuit. So you will get the high output because this PMOS is again connected to the VDD. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now right side PMOS will be conducted, not this left side, because A as a high. बराबर है? यहाँ पे अभी high input दे रहे हैं. So this left side PMOS is going to be off. This right side PMOS is going to be on, and accordingly you are getting output as a high. Now last condition, because now we are getting the low output, and that you have to realize how we are getting the low output. Okay. So we are applying high, A as a high and B as a high. Now tell me A as a high. PMOS will be
Off.
Off.
off. This NMOS will be
On.
On.
on. Okay. Now for B as a high, this NMOS will be
On.
On.
and this PMOS will be
Off.
off. Very good. मतलब ये दोनों PMOS अभी off हो रहे हैं. Then it will act as a open switch. So you are not getting VDD as a output. Now what you are getting? These two NMOS are connected in series and they are on. Okay. And this source is connected to the ground now. Depending upon this, now source is connected to the ground. That's why you will get 0 volt or low voltage at the output. Because जब on हो रहा है तो सिर्फ short circuit हो रहा है. That's why you are getting as a low voltage. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों लो मिल रहा है अभी? अभी लो क्यों मिल रहा है हमें? जब दोनों इनपुट हाई है, then only we are getting the low.
And are connected to ground.
Yes, and they are on and they are in a series. Both are on. That's why now drain is again connected to the low voltage. That's why we're getting output as a low. Is it clear? Actually, I have meeting. Today's code is 1, and just see this circuit, another circuit. May take a screenshot for this and realize this. Tomorrow we'll discuss this circuit and just only interfacing point is there. It will require only hardly 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. CMOS NOR gate. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोगों को क्या समझ में आया? ये NAND गेट देखो उसकी डायग्राम और NOR गेट देखो इसकी डायग्राम. क्या है इसमें चेंज?
N type is in parallel and P type is in series.
एक्टली रिवर्स ऑफ द NAND गेट है. पता है? रिवर्स गेट को यहाँ पे क्या था? सभी पीमॉस पैरेलल में थे और एनमॉस सीरीज में थे। नॉर में क्या है, पीमॉस सीरीज में है और एनमॉस पैरेलल में है, और ट्रूथ टेबल इज अगेन रिवर्स ऑफ इट। इज इट? तो आप लोग खुद से रियलाइज कर सकते हो, ट्राई करो। अगर नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं कल बता दूंगी, मतलब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। इज इट ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
अदर्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just take a screenshot and then I will stop the sharing. I will end the meeting. Okay, I have some meeting, I have some office work.
Ma'am, what is the code for attendance?
1. Today's code for attendance is a 1. And see, there is one instruction from the principal sir that if you are filling the Google form after the lecture are finishing, that is my lecture slot is 12:30 to 1:30, you have to fill the Google form before 1:30. Otherwise it will be considered as a absent because timestamp will be there. Okay, so fill it immediately. समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any difficulty in NAND gate? Okay, I will end the meeting. Just fill the form.